Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, how do we actually get from here to there? Space travel feels like pure science fiction, but it's all about physics. And today, I'm breaking down the laws of physics that make space travel not just possible, but inevitable. Let's start with Newton's first law, sometimes called the law of inertia. An object at rest wants to stay at rest, and an object in motion wants to keep moving. That's why rockets need so much power to escape Earth's gravity. Once a spacecraft is moving in space, it actually doesn't need much energy to keep going. There's almost nothing to slow it down. Next up, Newton's third law. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. This is rocket science in a nutshell. Burn fuel, shoot hot gas out one end, and the rocket blasts off in the other direction. It's why we don't need air in space to propel ourselves, just the physics of momentum. Now, gravity. It's not just the thing keeping your feet on the ground. Gravity is a cosmic dance partner, helping us slingshot around planets, save fuel, and go farther than we ever could with rockets alone. That's called a gravity assist, and it's how missions like Voyager have reached the edge of our solar system. But space travel isn't just about going forward. Sometimes we have to stop. Enter the conservation of momentum. If you want to slow down, you have to fire your thrusters in the opposite direction. Every maneuver out there is a careful dance, balancing mass, speed, and direction, all thanks to this law. Now let's go deeper. Einstein's theory of relativity. We're not zipping around at light speed yet. But the faster you travel, the weirder time gets. Satellites in orbit have to account for time ticking just a little differently than on Earth, or your GPS would be completely lost. And finally, let's talk about energy. Getting to space is all about trading fuel for speed. The more mass you carry, the more fuel you need. But the more fuel you add, the heavier your rocket gets. It's a tricky puzzle known as the tyranny of the rocket equation. In the end, these laws of physics aren't barriers. They're the very reason spaceflight is possible. If you're dreaming of the stars, remember, every launch, every maneuver, every incredible photo from deep space, that's physics in action. So the next time you watch a rocket launch or gaze at the night sky, remember, you're witnessing the universe's rules played out on a cosmic scale. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one writing those laws out into the stars.